it's the end of the week and I've decided to go for a quick overnight camp here in the beautiful woods. In that direction there is lake. I'll be probably sleeping down there somewhere in the woods. I left the car about a mile back. The reason for this camping trip is I have some kind of new equipment and I would like to try it out. So let's go. There's a nice place for camping over here. It's already been used and I don't want to make a new place, a new fireplace, because we don't want to trash the nature. And I think I'm going to reuse those things that are already there and probably just sleep over here because I kind of like the location. Under me above me there are stars, and there's not a lot until a small little water creek where I can get some water. And yeah, let's set up camp. we have some water, and now I also use one of my tools that I bought just recently, and that's thing that will connect 3 of the sticks I found here that were already made, and we just put the teapot under the fire, so it won't, I won't need 1 stick anymore, but it will look nicer. I think we can try this out. Let's give it a go. I am getting a little bit hungry, so I'll make a dinner for myself. It's 1 tomato and a couple of potatoes, some garlic and some meat. Just, I'll have it like a slow food, so probably I'll maybe eat just meat, and then I'll eat potatoes and tomatoes all together, and probably fast asleep today, because it's been a very productive week and I'm a little bit exhausted, and I came here just to enjoy, to relax, and so I don't want to be up and awake until midnight or 10 p.m. and that's why I'll just eat, enjoy the evening and go to sleep. So I just made these 2 sticks, and I'm going to put the meat on like this. Oh, it's a bit colder than I thought. I already dressed myself, and I'm going to eat the meat right now, and then I'm going to eat potatoes and a tomato. I love meat that's made on the fire. See if they are done. They should be done by now. So let's give it a try. Oh yeah, they are done. They are most definitely done. Perfect. Nice. Very nicely done. I'll eat these and go to sleep soon. See you in the morning. It's time. I have woken up and I am pretty tired, I would say. So I'm going to go for some water, make some coffee, breakfast, and then I'm going to enjoy the nature for a couple of more hours, and then I'm going to pack everything and just leave. I forgot my pan to make eggs, and I will not make it in a pot. That's why I'll be eating one potato. That's why I'll be eating one tomato. Thank God I have salmon with me and some bread. So let's dig in. If you like this video, maybe consider subscribing, or just maybe watch my other videos. If not, thank you anyways. See you in the next video.